Life is a series of crossroads, each choice setting us on a path that can dramatically alter our destiny. Sometimes, one small decision can rewrite the entire trajectory of our lives. Are you ready to discover the 10 most important choices that will define your journey and unlock your true potential? Stay tuned. This could be the turning point you've been searching for. Welcome everyone to this enlightening journey through the 10 critical choices each of us must make in life. In this video, we will explore the decisions that act as the foundation for our happiness, fulfillment, and success. Think back to the times when you stood at a fork in the road, uncertain which direction would lead to the life you envisioned. Each critical moment came with a silent realization. The future is shaped by the choices we make right here, right now. In this video, we'll dive into everything from the friends you keep to the passions you pursue. You'll learn how prioritizing certain areas of life, taking calculated risks, and cultivating a mindset of growth can bring clarity and purpose. By the end, you'll see how interconnected these decisions truly are, and how one wise choice can set off a ripple effect that transforms every aspect of your existence. So let's embark on this journey together and discover the 10 important choices you have to make in life. 1. Choosing your core values. Every life-changing decision begins with understanding your core values, the personal principles that guide you through life's ups and downs. Maybe you value integrity, kindness, creativity, or resilience. Often we rush into decisions without first reflecting on what truly matters to us. Yet without this internal compass, we risk pursuing goals that leave us feeling empty. Choosing your core values is an ongoing process. Begin by asking yourself tough questions. When do I feel happiest or most fulfilled? What moral principles am I unwilling to compromise? Answers will shape your internal guiding light. Once you're clear on these values, everyday choices, like how you spend your time, who you surround yourself with, and what career you pursue, become significantly easier. Making this choice consciously sets the stage for a more aligned, purpose-driven life. 2. Deciding on a life vision. Your second major choice builds upon the first, deciding on a life vision. While your values anchor who you are, your vision provides a roadmap for where you want to go. Ask yourself what you want your life to look like in 5, 10, or even 20 years. Maybe you dream of starting a nonprofit to help underserved communities, running a marathon for charity, launching a startup, or simply cultivating a peaceful family life. A clear vision empowers you. It narrows down options, clarifies daily priorities, and helps you focus on what truly matters. Without a vision, it's easy to drift aimlessly, react to external circumstances, or settle for whatever life hands you. But with a carefully chosen vision, you become the architect of your destiny, making thoughtful choices that bring you closer to your ideal future. 3. Prioritizing health and well-being. Your health is the bedrock upon which every other aspect of life is built. Whether it's your physical stamina, mental clarity, or emotional resilience, prioritizing health must be a conscious choice. Yet, it's surprising how often we sacrifice our well-being for short-term gains, skipping workouts to work late, neglecting sleep to cram in one more task, or ignoring stress until it becomes a crisis. When you decide to make health non-negotiable, everything changes. You sleep better, you think more clearly, and your relationships improve because you're more present and energetic. This choice might mean restructuring your schedule, meal prepping to avoid unhealthy fast food, or committing to regular exercise. It could also mean seeking therapy or coaching to manage stress or heal emotional wounds. Making health a priority requires discipline and effort, but the dividends, energy, longevity, and clarity are priceless. 4. Choosing your relationships wisely. The people we spend time with have an immense influence on our mindset, ambitions, and overall happiness. A supportive circle of friends and loved ones can lift you higher than you ever imagined, whereas toxic or negative individuals can drain your energy and derail your dreams. Choosing your relationships isn't always easy. Sometimes it means setting boundaries or letting go of connections that have become harmful. However, this choice is vital. Seek out people who challenge you to grow, who celebrate your victories, and who stand beside you when you stumble. Surround yourself with mentors or role models whose lives and values you admire. Foster deeper, more authentic bonds rather than settling for superficial acquaintances. Embrace empathy, active listening, and genuine kindness in your interactions, and you'll attract people who share your values and vision. Remember, life is too short to spend with those who don't help you become the best version of yourself. 5. Embracing lifelong learning. Our world is changing at an astonishing pace. Industries evolve, technology advances, and the skill sets we need today might be outdated tomorrow. The choice to become a lifelong learner is no longer optional, it's essential. Whether you're reading books, attending workshops, taking online courses, or learning hands-on by tackling new challenges, continuous learning keeps your mind sharp and your perspective fresh. Moreover, it's not just about formal education. Curiosity itself is a powerful catalyst for growth. Question your assumptions, explore unfamiliar disciplines, and experiment with new hobbies. In doing so, you keep your mind open, your spirit youthful, and your adaptability strong. This approach also fosters humility, reminding you that there's always more to discover and master. When you choose to keep learning, life never becomes stagnant, and every day is an opportunity to expand your horizons. 6. Managing finances and wealth building. Money may not buy happiness, but managing it wisely can certainly reduce stress and open opportunities. The choice to handle finances responsibly is a pivotal step toward freedom and security. This decision encompasses everything from budgeting and saving to investing and mindful spending. It might mean saying no to impulsive purchases, cooking at home instead of dining out, or seeking professional advice to create a balanced investment portfolio. But there's more to this choice than just growing your bank account. It's about recognizing that money, used effectively, can help you achieve your life vision. Whether that's traveling, starting a charitable foundation, or simply having the peace of mind that you and your loved ones are cared for. Financial discipline offers long-term stability, enabling you to weather economic storms and focus on living your values rather than constantly worrying about the next bill. 7. Finding a purposeful career path. For many of us, our careers occupy a significant portion of our waking hours. Thus, choosing a fulfilling career path is among the most consequential decisions you'll ever make. It's tempting to opt for the highest salary or the most prestigious title, but true fulfillment lies in aligning work with your passions and values. Imagine waking up each day excited to tackle the challenges ahead because you believe in the impact you're making. This choice also involves adaptability. Perhaps you've spent years in a particular field, only to discover you're no longer passionate about it. Deciding to pivot or reinvent your professional life can be daunting, but it can also be a powerful step toward genuine satisfaction. A purposeful career doesn't require you to become famous or wealthy. It requires you to do work that resonates with your strengths, aspirations, and beliefs. When your livelihood aligns with your sense of purpose, work transcends a paycheck and becomes a calling. 8. Fostering emotional resilience. Life has a knack for surprising us, sometimes with joyous victories, other times with gut-wrenching losses. Emotional resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity, adapt to change, and keep moving forward despite setbacks. Choosing to develop this resilience is paramount because challenges are inevitable. What matters is how you respond when they surface. This choice involves practicing self-awareness, recognizing your emotions without letting them control you. It means cultivating coping strategies such as journaling, meditation, or talking with a trusted friend or therapist. It's also about reframing difficulties as opportunities to learn and grow. Far from being a sign of weakness, acknowledging your emotional needs and seeking support demonstrates courage. When you choose to build emotional resilience, You equip yourself with the mental fortitude to chase big dreams and navigate life's turbulence with strength and grace. 9. Contributing to others and giving back. Happiness researchers consistently find that one of the greatest sources of fulfillment is contributing to the well-being of others. Choosing to give back doesn't necessarily mean you have to donate millions to charity. It's about using the resources you do have, time, skills, compassion, to make a difference in the lives of those around you. You could volunteer at a local shelter, mentor a student, or simply lend a listening ear to a friend going through a tough time. When you become a giver, you shift your focus from what you can gain to how you can serve. This not only uplifts your community, but also enriches your own life in profound ways. You become more empathetic, patient, and grateful for what you already have. Contributing to others fosters connection and reminds us that we're all part of something larger. In a world that often emphasizes individual success, making the choice to be of service can bring deeper meaning to your daily life. 10. Balancing ambition with presence. Our final but vital choice involves finding harmony between striving for future goals and fully experiencing the present moment. Ambition drives progress. It pushes us to dream big, set lofty objectives, and continually improve ourselves. Yet, if we're always living in the future, we risk missing the beauty and opportunities of the here and now. Balancing ambition with presence is an ongoing dynamic decision. It means setting specific goals while still allowing space for spontaneous joy. It might involve scheduling unplugged time with friends or family, practicing mindfulness to ground yourself in the present, or simply pausing to appreciate small blessings in your day. Ultimately, a balanced life is not about sacrificing big dreams. It's about nourishing your spirit along the way so you can savor the journey as you build your future. And there you have it, 10 pivotal choices that can transform your life in remarkable ways. Reflect on them, write them down, and consider how you've been handling each area. Are you living according to your core values and vision, or have distractions pulled you away from what truly matters? It's never too late to course correct, to set new goals, or to embrace healthier habits. Thank you for taking this journey with me. Each decision we discussed isn't just a one-time event, it's a daily practice. By revisiting and realigning these choices, you'll find that your life becomes richer, more purposeful, and brimming with possibility. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends who might need that extra spark of inspiration. Until next time, remember, your life is shaped by the choices you make. Choose wisely and watch your world transform.